Oh my god!
I can't tell, but it's just rip and drag.
What's up, guys? Just got back from Alabama not too long ago, and I have a couple packages waiting for me. So I decided I'm gonna open one of them up, do a little unboxing video, and just show you what I got. I love coming home to new toys. It's like Christmas. You know, you're gone on a trip, you come back, you got packages. What do you guys think it is? Let's see what's in here. Sweet. I figured it was from NRS. Check that out. It is the new cVest by NRS. Man, this thing is sweet. Cool. Also got the Sidewinder Bibs. Definitely gonna put these things to use. That is freaking awesome. Basically, these are dry pants. Yeah, these are gonna be great. I could have used these. I could have used these last week, actually. And what else we got here? This is, yeah, so this is the Phantom jacket. Pretty cool. Man, this jacket is just freaking sweet. Man, this is, I mean, NRS is pretty much the only life jackets I've used. Definitely over the last 2 or 3 years. I think I've got 3 Chinooks, but I think this is going to be my new life jacket. Because this thing is freaking sweet. I can't wait to put this stuff to use. You're going to see more of it in my upcoming videos. Big shout out to NRS. I'm going to put a link in the description to their website so you can head on over and get some of this stuff for yourself. They're a great company with some really great stuff that really makes my life easier while I'm on the water. Using their stuff for years now, and I mean, really, there's no other company out there I'd even consider for a lot of this stuff. So head over, check them out, and thanks for watching.